Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Monday Market Breakdown. Now, guys, on this session, I'm going to be analyzing and breaking down pairs that I'm going to be focusing on for today. So, without wasting any time, let us get into it. So, the first pair that I'll be analyzing is going to be what the Australian dollar over the Canadian dollar. So, this one on the higher time frame, this is how price is looking like. So, let me erase everything and let us analyze together. So guys, starting on the forward time frame, we do see price coming from what this impulsive movement and then giving me what this first corrective structure that was in a form of a what of a continuation structure like broke out, as you can see, and then pressed it impulse down and then pressed what happened, formed another continuation that broke out and then pressed impulse down. And now currently we are seeing that price is giving us what another corrective structure that is where near the breakout point, guys. So now guys, looking at this is having what the higher probability of impulsing all the way to the downside. So now if we can drop on to our mid-time frame, we can see our structures even more clearer, guys. As you can see, our structure is looking even more clearer. So as I drop on to the lower time frame, what are we looking for? So lower time frame, we're looking for our entry pattern. So we can see that price is coming from this impulsive movement down, and price is giving us this sideways corrective structure, as you can see over here. So we can use this sideways corrective structure as our entry pattern. Why? Because price is coming from this impulsive move. This is what the sideways corrective structure, and this is about the higher probability of impulsing all the way to the downside. So we're looking to enter on the next impulsive movement to the downside. So this is how I'm looking at the Australian dollar over the Canadian dollar. So that is it on this pair. Now let us move on over onto our next pair, which is what the Great British Pound over the Japanese yen. So this one, once again, moving on toward the high time frame, and we're going to start our analysis on the high time frame. So high time frame, we do see price coming from this impulsive movement and then giving us what this sideways corrective structure, price from the breakup and then impulsing down. And now currently we're having what that similar type of movement whereby price is giving us what this corrective structure, and we're anticipating that the breakout will be what the next impulsive movement all the way to the downside. As now we're moving on toward our lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, this is how price is looking like. So let us adjust that our trend lines to make sure our structure is looking neat. So as you can see on the lower time frame, we are having what this is an impulsive movement, and this is acting as what is a sideways corrective structure. So with this one, as soon as this does give us what a breakout, I'm anticipating that this will be what this will impulse all the way to the downside. If you can see over here, this is how I'm anticipating the next impulsive movement to the downside. As soon as price does break out, this would be about the high probability of continuing to impulse all the way to the downside. Of course, guys, the impulsive movement will not just be what a single straight movement to the downside. Price will form multiple corrective structures and impulses, corrective structures and impulses to the downside. But overall, this is how I'm looking at this move to the downside. So mainly for today, just focused on a GBP, JPY, and AUD. So this is how my watch list is looking like for the day. Now, guys, I will continue to update you if anything happens, if it will get tagged in or if price doesn't give us any entry, instead it just continues to climb up. I'll evolve my structure and look for another corrective structure that I can use to execute my entry. But for now, this is going to be the end. Hopefully this session is informative, and I'll see you next time. Take care.